In the history of spaceflight, success has often been measured by perfect landings and flawless missions. But at SpaceX, even explosions write chapters in their story of innovation. The recent Starship Flight 5 wasn't just another test. It marked a pivotal moment when the impossible became possible, as the world's largest rocket booster was caught mid-air for the first time. Now, just 1 week after this historic achievement, SpaceX is already pushing boundaries again. Booster 13 stands proud on the launch pad at Starbase, ready to carry forward the momentum of success. While the echoes of Flight 5's triumph still resound through the space community, Elon Musk and his team are laser-focused on what comes next. Flight 6. The stakes couldn't be higher. This isn't just about proving they can catch a rocket once. It's about demonstrating reliable, repeatable success. It's about transforming the economics of space travel. It's about bringing humanity one step closer to becoming a multiplanetary species. Welcome to Elon Musk 24 Hours, where today we'll take you behind the scenes of SpaceX's ambitious plans for Starship Flight 6 and reveal how this next launch could reshape the future of space exploration. Let's dive right in. The speed of SpaceX's turnaround from Flight 5 to Flight 6 speaks volumes about their confidence. Just 7 days after the historic catch, Booster 13 made its journey to the launch pad, a timeline that has silenced skeptics who predicted months of delays. This rapid deployment isn't just about maintaining momentum. It's a deliberate step towards SpaceX's vision of making space travel as routine as commercial aviation. While early testing of Booster 13 shows promising signs, with the chopsticks performing flawlessly during initial checks, SpaceX is taking a calculated approach to Flight 6. Sources close to the company suggest they'll focus on perfecting the booster catch rather than attempting a full second-stage landing. It's a strategic decision that reflects SpaceX's methodology. Master each component before advancing to the next challenge. One of the most intriguing developments came from an unexpected source: the salvaged hot staging ring from Flight 5. This isn't just about recovering hardware. It's about reimagining the future of rocket design. Engineers at Starbase have been examining this component with particular interest, and here's why. The hot staging ring, despite experiencing the intense forces of separation, showed remarkably minimal damage. This discovery has sparked serious discussions about potential reusability. The engineering team has been conducting detailed analysis of the ring's structural integrity, thermal resistance, and mechanical wear patterns. Initial findings suggest that the component maintained over 85% of its original structural strength, far exceeding theoretical predictions. This data isn't just promising, it's revolutionary for the future of rocket reusability. But there's an even more fascinating possibility at play. Remember Elon Musk's famous principle, the best part is no part. Internal documents suggest SpaceX engineers are exploring ways to eliminate the hot staging ring entirely in future iterations. This wouldn't just simplify the design, it would represent a fundamental shift in how we think about rocket staging. The team is already testing alternative separation mechanisms in their advanced simulation environments. Looking beyond Flight 6, SpaceX has already set its sights on perhaps the most ambitious challenge yet: orbital refueling. Musk recently confirmed that ship-to-ship fuel transfer tests are scheduled for 2025, a capability that's absolutely crucial for Mars missions. This isn't just another test. It's the key that could unlock humanity's path to becoming a multiplanetary species. The orbital refueling process presents 3 major challenges that SpaceX must overcome. First, there's the precision dance of docking 2 massive spacecraft in orbit. Imagine parallel parking 2 buildings in space. SpaceX's extensive experience with ISS docking operations gives them a solid foundation, but Starship's scale adds new complexities. The team has developed an enhanced autonomous docking system that uses advanced AI algorithms to predict and compensate for orbital mechanics in real time. Second is the challenge of maintaining cryogenic temperatures in space. The liquid oxygen and methane fuel must be kept at temperatures as low as 90.2 Kelvin. SpaceX's engineering team has developed innovative solutions, including advanced surface coatings and sophisticated orientation controls to minimize solar heating. They've also implemented a revolutionary multi-layer insulation system that reduces boil-off rates by up to 60% compared to traditional designs. The third and perhaps most complex challenge is the actual fuel transfer in microgravity. Without Earth's gravity to help separate liquid and gas, SpaceX has developed a clever system using small thrusters to create artificial acceleration, essentially pushing the fuel where it needs to go. The system includes sophisticated sensors that monitor fuel flow patterns and adjust thrust parameters in milliseconds, ensuring optimal transfer efficiency. Meanwhile, back at Starbase, engineers are implementing crucial improvements to Starship's design based on data from previous flights. The forward flap design, which showed vulnerability during Flight 4's re-entry, has been completely reimagined. The new configuration, shifting the flaps to the leeward side, represents a significant improvement in aerodynamic efficiency and heat management. During Flight 5's live stream, viewers got their first glimpse of these enhanced designs. The modifications weren't just cosmetic. They included sophisticated hot gas seals at the flap hinges and an innovative thermal protection system that can withstand temperatures up to 30% higher than previous versions. Early wind tunnel tests suggest these changes could improve re-entry stability by as much as 40%. These developments have caught NASA's attention. The space agency has invested nearly $4 billion in the Starship program for lunar missions, betting on SpaceX's ability to deliver a human-rated version capable of landing astronauts on the moon. The latest design improvements have exceeded NASA's baseline requirements for thermal protection and vehicle stability, potentially accelerating the timeline for human lunar missions. Industry analysts estimate that these advancements could reduce launch costs by an additional 30% once fully implemented. This isn't just about saving money, it's about fundamentally changing the economics of space access. With each successful test, each iteration, and each improvement, SpaceX isn't just building a rocket. They're building humanity's bridge to the stars. As we look ahead to Flight 6 and beyond, one thing becomes crystal clear. SpaceX isn't just testing rockets. They're writing the future of human space exploration. From the groundbreaking booster catch system to the revolutionary plans for orbital refueling, each advancement brings us closer to Elon Musk's ultimate vision of making humanity a multiplanetary species. The rapid progress we're witnessing, from recovering hot staging rings to reimagining flap designs, demonstrates that SpaceX isn't just innovating. They're redefining what's possible in aerospace engineering. With NASA's $4 billion investment supporting the development of a human-rated Starship, we're not just watching history unfold. We're watching the foundation being laid for humanity's greatest adventure. If you're as excited as we are about this incredible journey to the stars, make sure you're part of our growing community here at Elon Musk 24 Hours. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the latest developments in SpaceX's groundbreaking missions. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on these remarkable advancements. We'd love to hear your perspective on which innovation you think will have the biggest impact on space travel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it informative, and share it with fellow space enthusiasts who share our passion for the final frontier. Remember, each breakthrough brings us one step closer to making life multiplanetary. Thanks for watching Elon Musk 24 Hours, where we bring you the latest in space innovation and human achievement. See you in our next video.